Every PC needs a solid toolkit, and the best part is you don't have to spend a dime to get it. I've tested dozens of programs, and today I'm breaking down the top 5 free tools that I think everyone should install on their computer right now. And before we jump into the countdown, quick reminder, all the download links are in the description below, so you can grab them and start trying them out as we go. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to use them effectively. Let's kick things off with something that should be on every single PC, CCleaner. Over time, your computer fills up with junk files, leftover cache, and broken registry entries that slow everything down. CCleaner clears all that out with one click, giving you back storage space and speed. The free version also has a startup manager that helps you control which programs load when your PC boots, which can cut your startup time in half. However, it's important to note that the registry cleaner feature, while useful, can potentially remove necessary system entries if used incorrectly. So, be cautious and don't go wild with it. But as a free optimization tool, it's a must-have. Now that your system's cleaned up, let's talk about security with Malwarebytes Free. Windows Defender does a decent job, but Malwarebytes acts like a second opinion doctor that catches threats your antivirus might miss. The free version lets you scan for malware, adware, and potentially unwanted programs that sneak in with free downloads. However, it's important to note that real-time protection, which actively prevents threats from infecting your system, is only available in the paid version. But even having the on-demand scanner for free makes it an essential safety net. Next up, we have VLC Media Player. And if you've ever struggled with a video that just won't play, this is the solution. VLC plays pretty much any format you throw at it without needing extra codecs. And it even handles DVDs, streaming, and damaged or incomplete files. It's lightweight, completely free, and doesn't come with annoying ads or bloatware. The interface looks a little basic compared to flashy streaming apps, but it's the most reliable media player you can get, period. Fourth on the list is 7-Zip, which you will likely need sooner or later. It's a lightweight file compression and extraction tool that opens pretty much everything. ZIP, RAR, ISO, you name it. It also compresses files way better than the built-in Windows Zip tool, which is super handy when you need to share large files quickly. Plus, it's open source, fast, and does the job better than most paid alternatives, making it a great addition to your PC toolkit. And finally, for productivity and document management, WPS Free Office Suite is my top pick. It's completely free, includes Writer, spreadsheets, and presentation tools, and even comes with a built-in PDF editor, something most free suites don't offer. You can open and save Microsoft Office files, edit PDFs, and even export them without extra software. The interface is modern and clean, and while some advanced features are premium only, everything you really need for everyday work is included. So there you have it, 5 free tools every PC should have installed. CCleaner for cleanup, Malwarebytes for protection, VLC for media, 7-Zip for file management, and WPS Free Office Suite for productivity and PDF editing. Grab them all using the links in the description below and start boosting your PC today. And if you want to take things further, click the video in the top right corner, where I'll show you step-by-step how to download Adobe After Effects for free on PC or Mac. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my free software guides. I'll see you in the next one.